Hello guys, we are going to solve this first bad version problem from Leetcode in this video. First I'll explain the problem statement and then the approach and then the code. So firstly imagine this is a production line and these are all the product boxes. The first product is made from scratch and the other versions following it are developed based on the previous version. So that is the ith version of the product will have some components and properties from I minus 1th product, and it will also have some of its own new properties. So if in between any of one version fails the quality check, the other subsequent versions will also fail the quality test, right? So this is the example here. We have taken 6 products in this line, and the first and the second are good products and the other following products are the bad versions. Now our goal is to find the first bad version of the product. That is, we have to give the output that the third product is a bad version, is the first bad version in an array. This is like an array, right? Now we have to not take this entire array for solving the problem. We are given an API that is bad version with the version number. Now when we'll enter one version number, suppose we are entering 2, the output will be given as false, that 2 is not a bad version. Now if we are entering 3 here, then the output will be given as true, that 3 is a bad version. So, and one more important notice, that one bad version will lead to subsequent bad versions as discussed earlier. So here we can see a sorted array, that is, the good versions are on one side and the bad versions are on the other side. We can apply binary search here. So let's take a low pointer as 1 and the last one as the high pointer, that is 6. Now we'll take the mid one as 6 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. This is the mid one, and the result we can take it as the last version, that is 6. Now here it is guaranteed that the last version will always be a bad version, right? Now this is the midpoint, this is the mid one, and here you can see the mid version is already a bad version, and the result is here is 6. Now we have to find the leftmost bad version in this array, so we can update now that this 6 is greater than 3, right? So the 6 will be updated to 3. The high pointer, this high pointer will get cancelled and it will be updated to mid minus 1 over here. Now this is an array, 1 and 2 only are the array. Now we have to find the mid over here, that is L1 plus 2 by 2, and you will get this as a mid. Now you can see here that the mid is not bad. So the low pointer will get updated to M plus 1 over here, that is L and H. Now the low and the high pointer are pointing towards the same value. Now it will be compared, and as this is a good version, nothing will be done. So the final result is 3 only. So this is a simple process and it will take order of log n time to find the first bad version, in this array. Code in C++. Here I have defined the terms that I explained earlier, the same terms, the low, high, mid and result. For result I have initialized it with n, as we already know that at the last of the array is a bad version. The last version in an array is the bad version, so I have taken result as n. And from while loop, I have taken a while loop. From here we are applying the binary search approach, and then we are returning the result. I hope you understood the simple approach of solving this first bad version problem of Leetcode. Thank you.